It will. There we go. Well, I'm pretty excited about this section of our training talking about viral mailers. Viral mailers have been around for a very long time. I think the first one came out in early 2000, 2001. Hercules was one of the very first viral mailers that I started using. It was they called it a safe list back then. Then they got into credit mailers, and that's really what most mailers are these days, are what we call credit mailers or viral mailers, meaning that when you send an ad to the people in the members of the viral mailer, they get your link, they click the link in the email, and they earn credits. As they earn credits, they can then promote to people on the list. So the more credits they have, the more members they can reach. Does that make sense? They've been an excellent source of traffic for me for many years, and they are still excellent. As you heard from Rob, the results speak for themselves. I don't know a time that I send my emails out to my mailers that I don't get subscribers. I mean, that it's just they're there, okay? They really are, and I get action takers. I get people that go through the entire system, so it really does work. There are some simple steps to really take advantage of viral mailers. At number one, you need to have a lot of them. Like Rob said, we've both been online for a very long time. Over the last 20 years, I've collected quite a slew of viral mailers, become joint venture partners with many of the owners. But at the end of the day, it's about collecting them and using the best. So I've probably been a member of, over 100 viral mailers over the years. Currently, I actively email to about 30 or 35 mailers on a regular basis. So, I've toned it down to the ones that are bringing me the best results. Now, one thing I recommend with viral mailers is that you create a Gmail account just for your mailers. All right, so I have one that's janetllists@gmail.com, and that's the one I use for my viral mailers, and that's the only thing I use it for. So I don't have to, filter through all my viral mailer emails to get to emails that matter to me, to my support emails and things like that. So that makes sense. That's the number one best piece of advice I can give you, is to make sure you set up a separate Gmail account just for your mailers. Then sign up for your mailers one at a time. Sign up for it. Set up your banner ads and your text ads. That's something you only need to do once, and then send your email to the members and schedule it. So some of the mailers, depending if you're a free or upgraded member, some of the mailers you're going to be able to send every day. Some it's every 3 days. Some it's once a week. So it really depends on your membership and on the mailer. So, I've got some mailers where I'm upgraded member, but I can still only email once every 3 days. So we're going to go live. Button works there. There we go. We're going to go live. I'm going to go into desktop sharing, and we're going to head over here to CLB Learning. And we have 3 viral mailers back here: Prospect Geyser Co-op, Genie Mailer, which we own, and then Traffic Leads to Income Viral Mailer, which also has the co-op. We do have Traffic Swarm here. We'll do some separate trading on that. And that is a traffic exchange plus, plus, plus. There's lots of things going on with Traffic Swarm. Very effective resource. But these are 3 of very active mailers. I get signups from all 3 of them all the time. Inside each of them is a downline builder where you will find other mailers. Okay, so there's, we have our recommendations. If you go into Prospect Geyser Co-op or Genie Mailer, you're going to find a smaller list, because it really is just the mailers that are working the best for me. I will be updating them as we move forward. So let's go into Prospect Geyser Co-op first. We're going to start here. You're going to click here to sign up. If you aren't already a member, you're going to click here to join now. You can join for free. There will be an offer to upgrade when you sign up. So once you've signed up, you're going to come here and you're going to log in. You're going to watch your login ad. It's not coming up today. So sometimes the page loads, sometimes it doesn't. There's a paid ad here, and it's not loading for me right now. Could be because we're in desktop sharing. All right, so that could be what it is. So I'm going to click on here, or you can leave a comment. So we're in the back office here. As a new member, you want to go into here where it says ads. And we've got banner ads and text ads. So this is where you can set up a banner ad or a text ad. So I'm just going to show you how to do this. So here are our banner ads. We've got different ads here. I've got my CLB ads here. I've got one for a Genie mailer. So if you come into CLB Learning and you click on the affiliate toolbox, you just click there, scroll to the bottom, you're going to find some banner ads. All right, so here I love this one, Discover the Mystery and Simple Truth Behind Internet Marketing Success. And I think the banner URL is below the, yes it is, okay. So I'm going to grab right here is the image URL, okay. It says get image right there. I'm going to copy that image. I'm going to come over to the co-op, come down here, there's image URL, and I'm going to paste that. And I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to get, now I would want to put my TCP page, right? And so I would go and get my Hits Connect URL, which I have in my text file right here. So I'm going to grab that tracking URL and come to the co-op here, or to PG Co-op, and paste in that tracking URL and click add. And now, oh, it's not, it doesn't allow me to use HTTP yet, so I'll fix that. I think it's in the banner. Right here. It doesn't like the S, so I can just remove that. See if that works. There we go. So here we are. Oh, my banner doesn't look very good. Obviously, I put the wrong banner, so I'm going to come back over to here, and we'll get this banner. Should be the right size. Doesn't seem to be, but you can play with it. So here I can change this. So I'm just changing it there and save. Scroll down. Now the banner's not showing up properly. It is a 468 by 60 banner, but for some reason it's not showing up proper on our thing. So we're not going to worry about it right now. I got to lose sleep over it. It will work. Maybe it's because I didn't tell it was the right size. And then I can add banner impressions. So I have credits and banner impressions. So I would come down here and I would add those banner impressions to that banner. Okay. I might add 500 banner impressions. Assign it. And you'll see that it's going to send 1,200, 500 views to that banner. All right, then I can come here and I can click text ads. And I can get create. So I'm going to put can you earn while you learn? And I want the same URL. And I'm going to click add. And down here, can you earn while you learn? And I'll give that 500 credits. And so that ad will get seen 20,000 times. So I don't need to do anything else with those ads. They're set up. I'm all done with that. Now we're going to come over here to the mailer. Well, I guess the other thing you need to do is click on your affiliates on the affiliate toolbox. And you see that little number there. You're going to have a different number. You're going to come back to CLB Learning, to our downline builder, to PG Co-op, and you're going to enter your number in here and click update referral IDs. Okay, so we've set up our ads. You're going to do that in every mailer. So when you sign up with Genie Mailer, same thing. You're going to go to your ads. You're going to add a banner ad and a text ad. Then you're going to come here where it says mailer, send mailing. See, nice and simple. I'm going to put here, can you really earn while you learn? I already have the ad. I've used this ad many times. And I'm going to copy my ad. You see, I have it in a text file, makes it very easy. And I paste my ad in there. And then I need my URL. So I'm going to come back to my ad because I have my tracking link here. And I'm going to add that URL. Then I need to say how many credits. So it's going to go to all the members, 3,505 plus my personal referral. So when you have personal referrals in the mailers, you can email them at no cost for credits. So we're going to send. You do have to have enough credits. See that it's going through the checks. It's showing my page just fine. I'm going to confirm my site. and that ad is gone. And so now I can come here to my sent messages, and you'll see it tells me how many clicks I've gotten. And I'm telling you, I get signups here every day that I send. All right, so then we would come back to here. We're done that mailer. I can email. I'm an upgraded member, so I can email every day, and I'm gonna put that on my schedule. I'm gonna come back here to Genie Mailer. Same thing. You're gonna sign up here if you're not already a member, and then you're gonna activate your account, and then you're gonna log in. You're gonna go to your ads, and we've got more ads here. We've got square banners, etc. So you can set all these up. And we'll just set up a square banner just for posterity. All right, so I go to my affiliate toolbox again. We go down to our square banner ad right there. I'm going to copy my image address. That's a different way to get the image address. You can see I've got quite a few banners here. I've already got this one there. So there's my image URL. This is my tracker URL. Let's add it. It doesn't like it's the image URL it doesn't like. So I need to get rid of this S, get my tracking link and click add. And there's my square banner. No, it's up here, right there. Okay. And so here I'm going to assign 500 clicks and click assign. I can add my banner ads and I can add text ads. So just like we did in PG Co-op, when I'm done, I'm going to click on send mailing. Can you really earn while you learn? I'm going to come and grab my ad. Got the link first, so I'm going to grab that. It's already there and paste that in there where it says URL, site URL. We're going to grab the ad and paste that in the body. Tell it how many credits. Click send to my downline. So if you don't have any referrals, you don't have to click that. And we're just going to click send, and the second ad has been sent. Confirm my site. And then we have one more. I'm going to go through it because I think it's important. And then I'm going to show you one more thing. So come into traffic leads to income viral mailer. We were already in here earlier. All right, so we're going to log into the viral mailer. Send mailing. So this is all I'm going to do every day. I come in here now. I've already sent a mailing here. So I can come here, and this is in the same and all. Once you've sent a message, send messages, I can send it again. So here I changed it. Would you like to earn while you learn? Here's, can you really earn while you learn? I'm going to send that one again. Now I am going to change the URL because as you can see, that's got a different one. And I want to use my Hits Connect URL. So I'm going to copy my Hits Connect URL. I'm going to paste it in there. I'm going to send this one to 7,329 members, along with my download referrals, which believe me is quite a few, and click send. I've been a part of Traffic Least Income for many, as long as it opened. My ID number is 630, so that kind of gives you a hint. I'm going to confirm our site, and there we are done. So here it is. Join the chat group. If you haven't joined his chat group on Telegram, make sure you click this and do it. And also make sure that you come back here and enter your ID. Oops. And I think for Genius number 1, update your referrals, and you're done. And that is it. And then, so this is where it gets fun. We're going to come back over to Hits Connect. We're going to log into Hits Connect. And we're just going to see, because I want to show you what's happening already. Okay. Click on My Campaigns. Here's my CLB alert. Look at it. I've already got 5 hits today. And that is from me doing the 3 links that go through because they have to check my link. So if I look at the stats, here we are. Genie Mailer, Prospect Geyser Co-op, Traffic Least Income VM. So that's the system going in and checking my email. I just wanted to show you that the tracking is working. And that's it for viral mailers. I'm going to come back into our presentation and finish up this part of our training. I hope this has made sense to you guys. Viral mailers are a really phenomenal resource, and I highly recommend them. They are a resource I've been using for many years. Again, there are right ways and wrong ways to use them. The one thing you don't want to do is sign up for 100 of them at once and just get overwhelmed with emails. So make sure you set up that separate email, um, set up your schedule to send them your emails every day. Only sign up for 1 or 2 a day. Don't overwhelm yourself. Plan to upgrade on at least one mailer a month so that you're not always clicking for credits, and have fun with it. It's a great way to get traffic for your website for free. That's it for viral mailers. I wish you great success getting traffic to your website, and I'm just going to finish up this recording.